Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder quality into a REALME 9i. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into Convenience Tools. Here we got screen recording option, and now you find all screen recording options. So video quality will be this video resolution. So if you tap it, you can change, for example, medium, low, or custom. If you choose custom, you can customize your quality of screen recording. And for saving, for example, to low, click back and it's saved automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.